Hi, I'm Joe, and I want to show you something that I just found out today. I've been eating this stuff for 3 months, and I promised to show some results of this treatment that I tried out here for diabetes. I wasn't sure if it was going to work. I started out with a, there was a 6.1 on my A1C test a few months ago, and I brought it down to 5.9 in February. My last one was actually 5.9, and I just got this paper back from my doctor, and it shows what my results are. Imagine this, 5.6, and I'll show you how I got it. Cinnamon every week. I'll finish up one of these bottles of cinnamon, and that's 6.5 ounces per week. And the way I eat this or consume this, and it's hard to put down that much cinnamon if you can't blend it in with something. I use this yogurt here, and I pour about 4 or 5 tablespoons into a 2-pound container of yogurt, and just mix it right in there. So it's cinnamon yogurt, you know, cinnamon vanilla. And there's another way I do it, and it works out really good because it helped my blood pressure a lot also. I got that down to 130 on the high scale. I get this blender and put the yogurt in there and some bananas, and put 3 bananas in my blender every day, and stir it up with the yogurt and the cinnamon, and sure enough, it really does work. And cut back completely on this diet iced tea here. I like diet iced tea, I really love it with the apple cider vinegar in it, but I just wanted to do a test to see what the difference would be without using apple cider vinegar in this green tea here. And I just used the cinnamon mixture, and I didn't use much ginger this past month either. Was using a lot of this ground ginger, about the same amount every week as the cinnamon. 6.5 ounces in this here. This is pretty good for flavor, actually. It acts with the bananas to help you to eat that cinnamon. If you don't use this green flavoring, it's going to be a little harder to eat as much or drink as much cinnamon as you really have to. Like I said, I was really able to get my sugar down between 6.2, then 6.1, then 5.9, and this, man, I can't believe it, man. That's 5.6 within 6 months of eating the cinnamon here. Last year, man, last year I had a A1C of 7.4, and that was really making me sick. I felt that the level of sugar in my blood was actually causing me to have headaches, joint aches, and slowed me down. I felt really tired and sick from having at least a 175 level of glucose per deciliter glucose, and so I had to do something with it, and so I just started mixing everything that they recommended there on YouTube in with a gallon of this, and I would just throw a lot of cinnamon into the green iced tea. But it doesn't taste that good in there. Even if you put this green stuff in it, it's still not going to taste as good as it should. And you just have to do something with the bananas to get that flavoring blended in right. And I could use plain yogurt, but I didn't do that very often. I have to use vanilla because that's a burning flavor of the cinnamon, man. So yeah, we did get the cinnamon mixed in. A whole container of this every week, and 3 bananas, and this whole mixture in a blender, stir it up good, and it will cut the sugar down. Mine was up for a while. I had a normal glucose or fasting tolerance test in about 2007. It was a 5.7 then, and that's as low as it's ever been. So I hadn't been normal since 2007, and I've been going up actually. So I was so pleased to see this and know that it was going to cut this stuff down, and I feel so much better right now anyway. Get up in the morning and I feel that my stomach feels so much better having used this product, and have more energy now because I use this product, and my body mass index is a lot less after having started this program about 6 months ago. I lost some weight and blood pressure, and my other indices like the cholesterol to HDL ratio, it's not written here, but that went down to 3.0, where it was up about 3.7 last year. And the triglycerides and cholesterol count went completely down, like 30-40 points. Couldn't believe it. Now, cinnamon's a great herb, I'll say that. I really recommend it. Have to recommend it to anybody. Okay, talk to you later. Bye-bye.